Good morning, class. So, first of all, here I want to welcome to all of you here and ask one question. How are you all? I hope you all well. Okay, you all fine now? All right. So, dear kids, this is your English grammar online class. So, today I will teach you tense. In this English grammar online class, I will teach you tense. Okay. So, as you can see here, I wrote here many things. I wrote here many things. So, for saving your time, while I will teach you, so for saving your time, I already wrote here many things. So, let's see what are these things one by one here. So, in this lecture, as you can see here, we are going to learn about tense. So, if I ask what is tense, do you have any idea about that? What is tense? Alright, I am teaching here, don't worry. So, tense, what is tense? So, a method, basically this is a method, okay, a method to refer to time. A method to refer to time, or if we elaborate this thing, so tense is a method that we use in English. I repeat again, tense is a method. Tense is a method that we use in English to refer to time. And which type of time? Like present, past and future. Okay. So basically this is a method to refer to time like present, past and future. Okay. Or in other words, I hope you all have any idea about verb. What is verb? I hope you all have a little bit knowledge about verb, because when we will learn ahead, so we will use such type of word. Okay. So in other words, verb gives the sense of being. Focus on these words. Okay. Verb gives the sense of being or doing some action. Okay. Or in other words, you can say all the doing words or all the actions are called verb. Okay. So verb gives the sense of being or doing some action in a sentence. So the form of the verb that gives sense of time. I hope you all understood well. Why am I using here the word verb again and again here? Okay, because the word verb or verb play here important role. Okay, so verb gives the sense of being or doing some action. Okay, and the form of the verb that gives sense of time. Okay, sense of time, so it is called tense. So basically this was the brief introduction about the tense, but we don't have to learn, we have to learn the other things, and the things like that tense have three types. Okay, how many types? Three types, like present, past and future. These are the types of sentence. As you can see here, I am repeating again, present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, these are the three types, but when we elaborate them, so these all three can divided into four part, like simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous, like present, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present continuous tense. In the same with past, like simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. If we will go with future, so simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So basically these are the three main kind. Okay, present tense, past tense and future tense, and further we can divide it into four types. Okay, or four parts you can say. So dear kids, here I choose one simple example to explain all of them. So let's see here. So you can see here, I draw here a small table for you. So on the right side, I wrote here the part like simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, and at the left side I wrote here the kind like present, past and future. So if we talk about the first simple sentence, what are these? These all are sentence here. Okay, these all are sentence here. So if we talk about the first one, that is I write. I write. So you can see here the first word is subject here and the other word is verb here. Okay, so we can identify the types of sentence by learning or by knowing about the verb. So for finding the types of sentence, first we have to learn or we have to know about the verb. Okay, which type of verb is giving here. If I ask write, so which type of verb is this? But this is the first form of verb. Okay, this is the first form of verb. I write. I write. Okay, so this is the simple present condition. If we talk about the continuous, if we talk about the continuous tense, so it looks like I am writing. I am writing. So you can see here, this is helping verb that is using here, and this is our main verb. Okay, this is our main verb. I am writing here. Now if we talk about the perfect, present perfect, present perfect. So the sentence looks like I have written. I have written. Okay, now if we talk about the perfect continuous, so I have been writing for 2 hours. I have been writing for 2 hours. So you can see here I choose only one sentence, and we can write it in many way. We can write it in many way. Okay, so the way of writing or the way of saying such type of sentence, these represents the type of sentence or the part of sentence. Okay, so here first we knew about the present. Okay, now let's see about it in the past form. So I wrote. This is simple past. Okay, this is simple past. Wrote. What is this? This is the second form of the verb. This is the second form of the verb. First form is write and second form wrote. I wrote. Now if we talk about the past continuous, so it looks like that I was writing. So here the helping verb is look like that, and this is the main verb. Okay, now come ahead. If we talk about the perfect, so I had written. Now if we talk about the perfect continuous, so I had been writing for 2 hours. Now let's see for the futures. Future tense. So simple future, I shall write. Future continuous, I shall be writing. Future perfect, I shall have written. Future perfect continuous, I shall have been writing for 2 hours. So by reading these all sentences, we can say that the sentence completely depend on the verb. Okay, completely depend on the verb. So that's why I wrote here. Verb gives the sense of being or doing some action in a sentence, and the forms of the verb that gives what? That gives sense of time. Time, it is called tense. Okay, so dear student, this was the basic or brief introduction about the tense. I hope you all enjoyed. Now we will learn these all things in depth in the next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.